If you love cinnamon rolls but don't love the effort, this sourdough cinnamon swirl loaf is about to become your new favourite. We start with a simple sourdough dough, nothing fancy, just bringing everything together and letting time do the heavy lifting. Honestly, if your dough looks a bit rough at the start, you're doing it right. Give it an hour and it completely transforms. That's the magic of sourdough. Over the next couple of hours, we build strength with a few stretch and folds. I like to think of this as the check-in when you can stage. No strict rules, just work it around your day. Now, here's where things get really good. Instead of adding cinnamon into the dough, which can actually slow down your fermentation, we're going to layer it in during shaping. So as you gently stretch your dough into a rectangle, you sprinkle over that cinnamon sugar. Fold, sprinkle, roll it up, and suddenly you've got those beautiful swirls running all the way through. Pop it into your banneton, or honestly just a bowl with a floured towel works perfectly well. And into the fridge it goes. And this is my favourite part. The fridge does all the work while you get on with life. A longer cold ferment means better flavour, better texture, and those gorgeous blisters on the crust. But do be careful with this one, as the sugar can leak if you leave it for too long. When you're ready to bake, straight from the fridge and into a hot Dutch oven. That cold dough hitting the hot pot, that's how you get incredible oven spring. And when it comes out, golden, crackly and filled with cinnamon swirls, it's honestly hard to wait, but let it cool if you can. Slice it up, toast it, slather it with butter, and just try not to eat the whole loaf in one sitting. But no judgment if you do.